This one is free food for OFW lunch with matching asparagus. Sobrang sarap. With unlimited coffee and candy. At iba pa. So, arap na. So, ayan. Exclusive only for the OFW. So, pasok tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. So, yeah, this is it. Pansit. So, let's go. Pasok natin syempre may pag-gate. So, ayan mo na yung kalat-kalat kasi makalat pa. Wala Please, pasok tayo sa loob. Ay. So, pagpasok, mayroon tayong mga pailaw-ilaw. And then, yeah, this is it. And this is receiving area. So, dito na to siya guys, receiving area and dining table. So, a dining table and another truck light in this corner. And of course, so what do you think? So actually this is not yet final. So only half. Magre-reveal tayo after 6 months from now or 1 year from now. Reveal, so that is final. And of course that is the kitchen. So yeah, may mga hanging cabinet tayo, hanging cabinet, and of course aircon. And see, so hindi siya ganun ka lucky, but it's more cozy type, cozy. So yeah, actually may cortina, tinanggal lang cortina kasi may naayos. And then, kaya hindi pa nakabit ang cortina. So, this is the second ground floor. And the dining table. So, the dining table is ready to serve the food. And the second floor, so hindi na tayo aakyat kasi pawis. So, maybe the full coverage, maybe 1 year from now or 5 years from now. So, yeah, it's a simple payag. Payag lang siya, di siya mansion payag. So that's it. Hoping that you enjoy, and please follow my YouTube channel, and thank you so much.